do you have faith? In what we believe? The truest test is when we cannot see. I hear pounding feet in the streets below, and the women crying, and the children moaning. There's something wrong. It's hard to believe that love will prevail. Oh, it won't rain all the time. The sky won't fall forever. And though the night seems long, your tears won't